Hola clase, this is Señora Plested. We are finishing chapter 3b, para mantener la salud, in order to maintain one's health, and we're going over grammar and review. So first we have a little culture, right? La tomatina. So do you like the idea of a festival with a big fight with tomatoes? This is like the annual festival of the tomatina in Buñol, España. The municipal council distributes more than 130 tons of ripe tomatoes. The participants of the festival throw the tomatoes for an hour. So it is something to behold, right? Like the bull run of Spain as well. And los mercados, markets, are common in Latin America. One day a week, there is a central market, and it is possible to buy food, flowers, arts and crafts, and clothing. This is a market in Guatemala. What do you do to maintain your health? Have you ever eaten chicken soup when you have a cold? How about putting aloe on a sunburn? In many countries, including those in the Spanish-speaking world, traditional remedies consisting of medicinal herbs have been used for centuries to treat common medical problems. In Mexico, a mint known as yerba buena, made into tea and given to someone with a stomach ache. Remedies such as these may not be prescribed by licensed physicians, but people have confidence in them because they have been passed down through the generations. Researchers study traditional herbal remedies to find modern-day medical solutions. In the Amazon rainforest in South America, an amazing abundance of plant life may hold the key to treating a wide variety of common ailments and diseases. Drug companies are looking for cures in these plants and herbs that can be reproduced in today's modern drugs. Increasingly, medicinal herbs are accepted not only as the basis for pharmaceutical drugs, but also for their own inherent healing qualities. In many countries, including the United States, herbal remedies are sometimes used in combination with conventional health care. All right, so now that we've talked a little bit about maintaining one's health and different herbs that are definitely used in the Spanish-speaking world, let's talk about what you're going to learn in this chapter. So, grammar and review, you're going to learn the plural of adjectives and the verb ser, to be, and its conjugations. So let's begin. The plurals of adjectives. In this section, you'll be able to express opinions about food and describe people, and discuss and compare food and beverage preferences with classmates. So I need you to pause the video and write down this entire slide, especially the things that are underlined, and then we'll discuss it together. All right. Grammatica, the plurals of adjectives. Adjectives agree in gender with the masculine or feminine nouns they describe. El bistec es sabroso. So the beefsteak is delicious or tasty. La ensalada is sabrosa. The salad is also delicious or tasty, but notice feminine, la ensalada, changes sabroso to sabrosa. Just as adjectives agree with a noun depending on whether it's masculine or feminine, they also agree according to whether the noun is singular, one, or plural, many. To make adjectives plural, just add an S after a vowel at the end of the adjective. If the adjective ends in a consonant, add ES. So let's say that again. If it ends in a vowel, A, E, I, O, or U, just add the letter S. If it's a consonant, which is every other letter, add ES. So, la hamburguesa es sabrosa. Let's make that plural. Las hamburguesas son sabrosas. Notice just an S was added to all of these, right? The hamburger is tasty. The hamburgers are delicious or tasty. El pastel es muy popular. Notice pastel ends in an L as a consonant. Los pasteles, you add an ES, son muy populares. Again, popular, it ends in an R consonant, you add ES. And L becomes los. So the pastry is very popular. The pastries are very popular. When an adjective describes a group including masculine and feminine nouns, use the masculine plural form. So there could be a bunch of female objects, but the minute a male object is introduced, all of them are called male objects, right? La lechuga, lettuce, las zanahorias, the carrots, y los tomates, and the tomatoes, son buenos para la salud, are good for your health. And notice, buenos, even though two of these are feminine, this last one is masculine, so they all become masculine. And don't forget that the singular form of mucho means much or a lot of, but the plural form muchos, muchas means many. No como mucha carne, I don't eat a lot of meat, pero como muchas verduras, but I eat many vegetables. So much or a lot becomes many in the plural form. All right, the verb ser, the second thing you're going to learn. In this section, you'll be able to listen to descriptions of food in a market, describe people, places, and foods, compare opinions about food with a classmate, read and write about pizza. So, the verb ser. In previous chapters, you learned how to talk about what a person is like. Tú eres muy deportista, ¿no? You are very sporty, right? Sí, soy deportista. Yes, I am very sporty. Mi amigo Pablo es deportista también. My friend Pablo is sporty as well. Ser means to be, is an irregular verb. You say to describe what a person or thing is like. Here are the present tense forms. If you haven't paused the video yet, please pause it and write this entire slide down. Okay, so yo soy means I am. Tú eres, you are informal. Usted es, you are formal. Él es, he is. Ella es, she is. Nosotros en nosotras somos, we are. Vosotros en vosotras sois, y'all are. Ustedes son, you all are. Ellos son, they are, male or mixed. Ellas son, they are, female. So, Rafa has to tell his father why the cell phone bill was so high, right? Línea romántica, romantic line. Complete his explanations by using the correct form of the verb ser. So, he goes, ay, papá, tú blank muy estricto. You are very strict. So again, you need the soy, eres, es, somos, sois, son. You need one of those 6 words. So tú eres muy estricto. I am a very social guy. Yo soy un chico muy sociable. Hablo con mis amigas porque all of the girls are very friendly. Todos son muy simpáticas. Hablo con Lydia, I talk with Lydia, porque nosotros blank muy deportistas, because we are very sporty. Nosotros somos muy deportistas. Mis conversaciones con ella, my conversations with her, siempre blank muy interesantes. My conversations are always very interesting. We're talking about them, they are. It would be son. Son muy interesantes. Fatima, this is a girl's name, blank muy estudiosa, is very studious. We need es, muy estudiosa. Hablamos mucho, we talk a lot, porque ella y yo, because her and I, blank inteligentes. Somos inteligentes. Her and I, her plus me equals we are is somos. Y hablamos de las clases, and we talk about class. Y hablo con Lorena, and I talk with Lorena, porque blank muy graciosa, because she is very cute and funny. Es muy graciosa. Y nosotros blank muy buenos amigos, and we are very good friends. Nosotros somos muy buenos amigos. So this is actually one of the activities you have to do. As you can see, we went through the answers together because I want you to know how to do this. So remember, tú eres, you are, yo soy, I am, son, they are, somos, we are. So please make sure that you have these memorized. All right, to ask what you prefer and to say that you prefer something. Oops, sorry, this one is the one.
¿Qué verduras prefieres? Prefiero las zanahorias.
And so what vegetable do you prefer? I prefer carrots. And then you can ask somebody what they eat and their opinion about it. So let's start from the beginning.
¿Come zanahorias en la cena? No, no como zanahorias en la cena porque son horribles.
So, do you eat carrots at dinner? No, I don't eat carrots for dinner because they are horrible. All right, so now you can give your opinion, right? Do you eat? Remember the tu form of comer. Do you eat carrots at dinner? Next. All right, and review. So I can listen and understand as people describe a healthy or unhealthy lifestyle. So you're going to hear about their habits. The first one is an Olympic skier, and the second one is a drummer, and you can tell why.
Cada día, a las 5:30 de la mañana, levanto pesas por 30 minutos y camino por 1 hora. Nunca como pasteles ni papas fritas porque son malos para la salud.
Nunca como el desayuno porque no tengo tiempo para comer. Para el almuerzo, prefiero la comida rápida. Una hamburguesa con un refresco.
So the first one clearly has a healthy lifestyle, lifts weights, doesn't eat fast food. The second one, the girl, doesn't eat breakfast, eats fast food. So you should be able to start picking up on words and see who's living a healthy lifestyle and who's not. Here, you should be able to read this conversation that you have joined in a chat room, decide whether each person has a healthy or unhealthy lifestyle based on what they tell each other. So, Chato says, ¿Qué hago yo? Cuando hace buen tiempo, corro por 30 minutos. Cuando llueve, levanto pesas. So, when it's nice weather, I run for 30 minutes. When it rains, I lift weights. Chispa says, no me gusta hacer ejercicio. Prefiero comer papas fritas, son muy sabrosas. So Chispa says, I don't like to do exercise. I prefer to eat French fries. They are very delicious. And Andres says, papas fritas son horribles para la salud. Para mantener la salud, nunca debes comer papas fritas. So French fries, they are horrible for your health. In order to maintain your health, you should never eat French fries. So, you're going to be able to explain about food preferences, and you're going to be able to give suggestions for a healthy lifestyle. So, these are the activities that you have to do. Activity 15, guided grammar activities, the plural of adjectives and the verb ser. These are your quizzes, instant checks. You have a test. And you also have this paragraph. So you're going to state your suggestions about how to live a healthier life. Use only your notes in the model provided, or it's a 0, and it's a test grade. So you're going to say what you should eat to be healthy, what you should drink, what should you do to maintain your health, what you shouldn't eat a lot of, and what you shouldn't drink a lot of. And you're going to use this model right here and use your vocabulary to fill it in, and this is what the model means. All right, gracias.